Hey you guys, so this video is going to be very up close and personal. You are just going to be all into my skin, but I wanted to be transparent with you guys. I'm showing you my skin in its current state. It's really dry, tight. I was just lacking moisture. My skin and complexion was extremely dull, especially in my forehead area. You can't really see some of the dry patches because I was kind of fresh out the shower. So I am going to go in and start with the Total Cleanser. And if you notice a little ash on my hands, honey, mind your business, because I knew I was going to moisturize for the video, okay? So listen, this cleanser it's like a little goes a long way. This is way more than enough of what you need, but for video purposes, I did kind of want to give you guys a nice texture shot, and it's a nice jelly, creamy consistency that just you do not want to put on your skin if you do not add water. It's kind of going to be a gunky mess, so make sure you add a little bit of water and get it all suds it up. You see how the texture completely changes. And I'm not wearing makeup in this video to remove any makeup, and this is a nighttime routine. However, anytime I would be wearing makeup with this, I would do this cleansing process twice, but just for the video purposes, and since I wasn't wearing makeup, I'm only going to do one cleanse. And I love this cleanser, but one thing I didn't like about it being the fact that it was a makeup removing cleanser, it was not too gentle around my eyes. You guys, I love the smell of the Barbados cherry, just so you know. If you see me smelling throughout the video, I love it. But I did not like the way it kind of triggered in the scent or whatever it is in the cleanser around my eye area. So I really don't use it to remove makeup. It kind of looks like it around here, but like to remove mascara and eyeshadow and all the other kind of stuff, I did not like it. And you see all the leftover product that I have, you guys, like a little goes a long way. And once again, I'm only going to do this process once because I don't have any makeup on, but I highly recommend to use it 2 times to do the double cleansing method if you do have makeup on, to get a really nice thorough cleanse. This is a newer camera for me, and it's super just high resolution, which is a great thing. However, it picks up everything. So the small little hairs that you may see on the face, like from my eyebrows, just wiping around my lash area, you guys, once again, I'm getting up close and personal, so please just disregard it. Let's just keep on moving. I don't want to see anybody in the comments saying, you know, you had a piece of hair on your face, or, you know, whatever, something was in your eye. Sis, we're getting up close and personal. So here I'm checking and testing to see the tightness of my skin. You know, when you do a cleansing, you know, you use a cleanser, your skin feels really, really tight. I did not get that with this cleanser. Even after using it multiple different times, I never felt that tightness on my skin. And here I'm just doing that check to really see how my skin bounces back, and I didn't get it. So we're going in with the fat water. You guys, this is probably one of my absolutely just favorite skincare products in general. At the current moment, I'm so in love with it for the simple fact it is a toner and a serum combined. Your serum is going to be your most concentrated product that you use on your skin. As you can see here, it has a twist and click top, but if you twist and click a little too much, you can twist the top completely off. So just make sure you're a little bit more conscious of that if you do choose to use the fat water. But this is a great combination for a lazy girl who just wants to get it one and done, and to eliminate extra steps in your skincare, especially at night. You know, sometimes you're just tired. You see, it's really thicker in consistency, not your average toner, but it's like a nice thick, I mean, it's fat water, so I think that's the perfect explanation of it. I recommend using your hands because the fact that it's not just a toner in itself just to balance out the pH. So I love using it simply as a serum. If you are using a toner to make sure that it's kind of cleansing up everything afterwards, that double cleansing method would really come in handy for you because you're really not going to rely on the fat water to be cleansing anything else in the skin. I love patting this product into my skin. It plumps it and then giving my skin a little bit of a massage. And then I love massaging it onto my neck area. Y'all, I just love this product. It plumps my skin immediately. I love the fact, like I said, it is a combination of a toner and a serum, and it just makes my skin feel just juicy and plump. If you don't know what that means, it just means all the blood is kind of rushed to your skin and there's no dullness, there's no cracks, there's no lines. Everything is like plumped up and your skin is looking healthy and bouncy. So I love just taking this moment to just massage as it's drying into my skin. We haven't even moved to the moisturizer yet, and just with this toner serum combo, my skin is already plump. You can see light reflecting off of my skin. My complexion isn't dull, and it's starting to kind of get more life back into it. And that's what I'm really loving about this line with Fenty, is that it's very effective and it's immediate, and my skin is seeing immediate results and it's feeling the results as well. So now let's move forward into our moisturizer, which this is the Hydra Visor. I love this because, you know, she has it where it's replaceable. You can take that out. If you are curious to know about your ingredients and where you can always see the ingredients, take this out and it's going to have it all listed here, all of the active ingredients and the directions. You just kind of have to take it apart. But the Hydra Visor moisturizer, and I believe it has the SPF 30, and this is replaceable. You can just buy the replacement so that, you know, whenever you run out, this is all you have to do. Click it back in and you are completely good to go. Give it a couple of pumps and you have a brand new moisturizer. So if you ever notice the little pink streaks, I know that sounds weird, the pink lines, streaks, whatever you want to call it, in the moisturizer, that's from the Barbados Cherry. That's the one that, oh my god, it smells so good, you guys. If you notice me smelling any of the products throughout the video, it's because it just smells so very good. Now, this is optional because I also am going to be using the face mask. Being the fact that my skin was really, really dry, I wanted to give my skin the most moisture possible. So I'm going to be massaging this moisturizer into my skin. She now has an eye cream that I don't believe I've tried out yet, but I still love using this moisturizer around my eye area and, you know, just massaging it around my eyes, all over my face and my neck area. If you do not know, your neck is some of the first areas as a woman that you can really start seeing signs of aging. So listen, if you have a little bit of extra moisturizer, do not hesitate to put that and to massage it on your neck. Make sure you are using it in an upward motion and just give the skin a little bit of a massage just to kind of keep the blood going and flowing. This is just something that I like to do at night to get the blood rushing into my skin. Like I said, my skin had been really dry. It was kind of neglected. I just had been really, really busy with the baby and my skin needed some major TLC. So as you can see, I'm just giving myself some major massage just to get the blood flowing and just to kind of bring life back into my skin. You don't have to do this process with your moisturizer. However, it does help and it does benefit your skin in the end. And who doesn't want a little bit of massage? It's very relaxing. So this is my skin with the moisturizer. You can completely stop at this step. Look at how moisturized the skin is. It looks healthy. Once again, light is reflecting off of it. But baby, this was not enough. I had to go in with the mask. Now that we are all done with our Hydra Visor moisturizer, I'm going to go in with the overnight gel cream, the recovery gel cream overnight mask. You guys, I love this. I just love this entire Fenty Skin line. This is another one of her replaceable products. You can buy a replacement for it. You're going to see me smelling this like I've been smelling all of the other products. I believe it's the Barbados Cherry, you guys. It just smells so good. It's like intoxicating. So I'm going to take this little scoop right here. This is going to be more than enough for my face and neck area. I'm going to take this amount. I'm going to massage it into my skin, massage it into my neck, and you'll also see me give it, massage it onto my hands just a little bit later. I'll talk about that in a second, but I just needed major TLC and my skin needed some major moisture. At this time also, I live in the Midwest. It was very cold. Our weather gets so bipolar. It can be hot one day, super cold, and I think that we were just having a couple of cold days and my skin was neglected, but it also was feeling just the coldness of the weather as well. So this overnight recovery gel mask is definitely heaven sent on my skin, especially if you just need, like, if your skin needs something like a big glass of water, I feel like this is what this overnight mask does. I've mentioned this in previous skincare videos, but you lose some of the most moisture at night because your skin is fighting so hard to fight free radicals and everything throughout the day. It is recovering, so you lose more moisture as your skin is recovering. So I always tell people this: you can never over moisturize the skin. So I've massaged this into my face. I've massaged this into my neck, to my little décolletage area. I never knew how to say that properly. Décolletage. I don't know. Décolletage sounds so fancy and it sounds like something a rich woman would say. So that's just what we're going to say. Now I'm going to massage the remaining product on the top of my hand because my hands are very, very dry from constantly using hand sanitizer. But that's another sign of aging, is when, you know, you can start seeing cracks and stuff on the top of your hands. Listen, take the remainder of that little mask or whatever moisturizer and put it on the top of your hands, because your hands need the skin benefits too. But you guys, that is literally it. That is a nighttime routine with Fenty Skin. I'm going to show a wonderful before and after. You guys, now I'm going to head to bed. Love you all. Good night.